Hey y'all, it's Samantha Thompson here with 31 Gifts, and I have two really amazing products that I want to share with you today that are perfect for graduates and people who are going into college. So the first one I want to share with you is our brand new bedside organizer. This is brand new for the season. You can see it kind of folds up like this. This part slides right underneath your mattress, and then you've got all these pockets right here, a perfect space for, a magazine, a book, tablet, glasses, a pencil. You could even probably put a water bottle down in here, a smaller one if you wanted to put chargers or any of those kind of smaller things that you have. This is really great if you don't have a nightstand, so perfect for college students, perfect for dorm rooms, or even if your nightstand doesn't have a ton of room or you maybe don't want all that clutter on there, you can tuck this right underneath your mattress, and it's kind of down out of the way, kind of clears the clutter. This has been so popular. We just launched it and it's going to sell out very soon. We've already been notified. It probably won't make it much longer, and we're not restocking it this season. So if this is something you want, you're gonna wanna get your hands on it ASAP. It comes in that charcoal print, and then it also comes in this pink plaid. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but I love this little dorm room picture, and it shows you, just kind of how all these products really work together to make a really fantastic organizing solution for you. Another one I want to share with you is our drawstring. Let me make sure I get the name right here. This is our nope, that's the bed organizer. Goodness gracious, I had to tell you. So this is our drawstring, I want to say laundry bag is what it's called. Pale pink plaid is the other print for the bedside organizer. So drawstring laundry bag, yes. So the bedside organizer 33, the drawstring laundry bag 29, and it comes in pale pink and also comes in whisper gray. What's really nice about this is it folds up really small. So when you're not using it, especially a place like a dorm room, it's not taking up tons of space, tons of room. And then if your kid wants to bring clothes back and forth for, weekends or holidays, or wants to bring things home to wash on the weekend, or needs to take this down to the laundry room in their dorm room, this works really great. I also think this is a great laundry bag for vacation because you can pack it flat and then put dirty clothes in it as you go, so they're not all over the hotel room or all over your cruise cabin or whatever. And really great for kids who go to camp. They can kind of put all their dirty stuff in here, keep it separated from their clean stuff. So you'll see it opens up really nice and big. It's got the drawstring here to close it up and the little doohickey here to cinch it. On the front, it has another pocket with a little cinch as well. So if you wanted to put, laundry soap down in there, or laundry money, or stain remover, or whatever, those kind of things work great. And then it has a nice handle here so you can hook it in a dorm room if you needed to, hook it inside of a closet. And then it also has the nice big strap so you can put it over your shoulder to carry. So this is the drawstring laundry bag, $29, and then the bedside organizer, $33. I'll drop all my information below. So if you need any help, have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and make sure you like and subscribe so you can get future product videos. Talk to y'all soon.